Hello, Google team. My name is Rakesh Mato, and I am here a product manager in UiPath. And I'm recording this video to give you an overview of our use case to use the Google Drive APIs. So I will also demo you how we are planning to use the APIs and how we will authenticate ourselves. So to start with, let me tell you why we need this access. So basically, we need this sensitive scopes for Google Drive because we want to provide some automation capabilities to our customers where they can interact with Google Drive items. They can find or move files, and or they can create new folders, and they can manage their permissions also. So to support this complete use case, we are integrating with Google Drive APIs. So to support for the same, we have created one application for the drive, and let me show you which APIs we have enabled for this application. So we have enabled Google Docs. We have enabled Google Sheets, and we have enabled Google Drive. Yep. So these have been already enabled. So now let me show you all the other settings. So we have already created the OAuth client ID and client secret. Let me show you. So yep. So we have this client ID and this client secret. We have added some redirect URLs, and then we have already verified the domains here. And let me show you. So this right now it is in testing status, but we want to verify it. So let me show you this the scopes as well, which so these are the basic sensitive scopes. These are non-sensitive scopes, sorry. And we are using one sensitive scopes on the Google Docs API. So we need to verify for the same. And the other thing, yeah, so for now, I will add one user to demo you how the authentication screens will look like. So let me add it. Yep, I have already added and save and continue. Yeah, this is the back to dashboard. So this is the app setting basically. Let me show you our portal. So yeah, this is our the automation cloud portal, and here we need to go to the admins page, and then we have integrations. And in integrations, we're able to see many connectors. For this one, we want to enable Google Drive basically. So this is the application basically, and here the end customer can add the connections. So I will demo you how the UI will look like. So let me search for Drive and let me authenticate. So let me give some test 12/08/2021, and then so API key. So let me go to, I'm sorry, let me go to our credentials page, and we can copy the client ID and client secret. So I'm pasting the same. So API secret, and then we can create the instance. So it will ask for the account, and as you remembered, I've showed you we have added one test user for now as mathurakesh@gmail.com. So let me select that. And we are getting one warning that the Google hasn't verified this app. So we are doing this activity to verify our app. So for now, I will click on continue, and then it will ask that the scope is enabled. I will give the permission, and then I can click on continue. So this is the authentication when successful, and then we will land to our API page basically. So generally, yeah, this is the use case which we are trying to solve here. And we have some documentation also, like how we will use the scopes and all. So I will provide you those links in the while submitting the app for verification. And then, yeah, that's all for now. So I will stop the video now. And please reach out to us if you need any details regarding this use case or regarding this application. And we are waiting for your response. Thank you.